had a lot of mention of Abdallah or Monyi. This is Abdallah. Monyi is a short form of Monyenye. Monyenye is his Kisi traditional name. Monyenye was my uncle, and he was your constituent from Nyansaga. Yes, you knew him. So that is the man from whom we have taken the name that we gave our son. Now, this is the guy we had gone to the US for his graduation when the mom fell ill. And he graduated from the Embry-Rideau Aeronautical University. As a matter of fact, he was studying with another friend of mine that I was almost forgetting, Mr. Peter Ngodo, who is here. He was studying with a daughter, and that's how I met Peter Ngodo. The daughter is a pilot. The daughter of that man is a pilot, and they were classmates and friends with Abdallah. So Abdallah graduated with a degree in aviation.
It was aviation business administration. Aviation business administration.
Yeah. So currently, as he looks for a job in the aviation industry, he is working with Safaricom. What do you do at Safaricom?
So I work under retail operations. So the Safaricom shops, we oversee the operations. Yes.
Thank you very much. This hefty gentleman is Aziz Orwongo. Bantu bali bamintu babosa maromole ga igerieteri muri manyeti. Oyonero Orwongo. Orwongo was my grandfather. So we named him after my grandfather. But it was really not after my grandfather. Actually, he was given the name before my grandfather passed on. Went to see him in hospital, and he said, when you get your son, you call him my name. I asked him, how can I do that, Grandpa, and you are alive? He said, I am ordering you. Go and call him my name. So we named him after Orwongo, even before Orwongo died. So this is the man. Orwongo works in Dubai. Tell them what you do, Orwongo.
So yeah, thank you everyone for coming. I'm in work in Dubai doing account management for an IT company. Been doing that for 2 years.
He's a graduate of the University College London. Good man. So I want to ask, by the way, this is the firstborn. This one. I knew you would be wondering. This is the firstborn. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you everyone for coming. The support we've received has been incredible. It's helped us get through this very difficult moment. But I just want to say a special thanks to my dad. You took care of Mom to the best of your ability, and we are eternally grateful for that. We had some extremely difficult moments in the US. At some point, I really didn't think we would get through it, but through God's help and God facilitating my dad, we were able to get through it, yeah. And then to Auntie Nuru, Ashatasha, and the nurse, you took care of our mom even better than me or my brother could have done. So we're so grateful. And I remember I spoke to you like a week ago, and I told you only God can reward you. So thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. And lastly, last but not least, Auntie Amina, thank you. We really appreciate, and we're together in this. Yeah, So, and for everyone else who's here, we appreciate. Thank you so much for standing with us. Yes.
So thank you very much. I think I will conclude. Amina, I know you are very emotional. Let me also thank you very, very much. I think if there's anyone who has seen the pain that Rukia went through, it's Amina, because she was with her at her bedside at the time when she was critically ill, in a lot of pain. And Amina, as Monya said, God will pay you for the care that you gave your sister and my wife and the mother of my 2 sons. Thank you very much. Let me not forget my sister Mary, my brother Kireki, and all my siblings for the comfort that you've given us and for staying very, very close to us. Our uncles from Osamaro, our uncles from Bogirango, we want to thank you very, very much. And Mr. Onyego, asante na wewe. Thank you very much.